Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could convert any book or document from the format doc or docx to any other format. To begin, we will proceed by downloading a software called Calibre. So just go to your browser and type Calibre. Click on calibre-ebook.com. Click download Calibre. Click on the version which is suitable for your computer. If you are a Linux user, Mac operating, or if you are a Windows user. Once here, click on download Calibre 64-bit if you are using Windows, and click on Mac operating system, and the other download link for Linux, it's here in the top. So once done, and once the software has been installed, you want to open the software and open your document. Here we have the document, click on it and drag using the mouse. Wait for a few seconds until the document is loaded to the software. Right click, convert books, convert individually. Here in the output format, select the format which you would like to have. For instance, I will choose FB2. You can rename and change the details, and once done, hit OK. The jobs will start, and in the bottom in the right, you will see the progression. Click on it, and here we have the progression of our conversion. Once done, click on the X to close, right click and select Save on the disk, save to disk in a single folder, and click Select Folder. The saving will start, and as you can see, here I have .fb2. My document has been converted accordingly. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.